We participate at Unity Day here at Kerrydale Elementary School because we are a school that builds a strong sense of belonging. We want all of our students to be united against bullying, where we include each other, we are kind to one another, and we accept one another.
It's good to be nice to your friends because they can feel comfortable, and when they come across a new person, they can be friends with them.
Being nice to my friends is important, so then they could feel like they want to come to school. Because sometimes, if you're mean to them, they won't want to come to school.
You see the school is decorated with those unity links to promote a sense of community and belonging within our school. What I hope students take away from today is celebrating differences, celebrating diversity, and explaining to them that diversity means difference. And no matter what your difference is and what my difference is, the inclusion piece brings us together in the same space. And this is a safe space to be who you are.